Hey guys, it's Jesus from Low Code Agency, and I wanted to show you a couple new features that Glide recently launched. So when we are looking at a list of data, we had several different ways of seeing that list of data, right? So we're looking at a tab on our spreadsheet, our back end, and we have a list of rows. So we can look at that data in a list view, and originally Glide had a list view here, and then the next style was the compact list. Now that moved down here, so you have like a regular list or a compact list. And of course, we have on the regular list we can have a caption. So let's just add a price, right? So the image pops up to the right, and then we have our text on the left, and then we have our compact list, and we just have title and details and the actual picture. So a new feature from Glide is the swiping feature, right? So this is like a Tinder-like app where you can swipe between the different items. It's a little bit confusing so far. It was just launched a couple days ago. So the most important thing that you have to set up is, you can see here in data, save last swipe. Otherwise it won't work. So the only thing you have to do is go to your data editor. In this case, I'm looking at my items in my shop, right? And I added this column named save. So it's a text column and it's a user specific column. That's really important because otherwise it'll consume a lot of sheet edits, and that's not ideal. So user specific column, we have this column, it's empty. The first time you create it, it's empty, it doesn't matter. Then you go back to Glide and then save last swipe, you point it to that save new column, right? Then in this case, we have like these cards, right? So we have a title component, description, the activity, and the image is the photo. I can change it to a different style. Let's choose the original one, right? And then I have, just because I have it here, the price, but I can have a list of components. Then I go to features, and then this is where the magic is happening. So we have left action and right action. At the moment, there is no way for me to click on the card and I open and see the details. So the left action, I want to reshuffle, and then the right action is view details. So if I move this card to my left, you can see it's a little bit buggy still. I will reshuffle so the next card comes up. I'll show it here. Hopefully it works here. And then we have the right action. It should open the details. So let's open the app and see how this works. So I go to my shop, I have my cards. So left, I dismiss, or actually I reshuffle the whole list of items that I have. When I click on any item, nothing happens. And then if I swipe this to the right, I'm not doing this right probably. Click. It should open the details. So let's try again. Not working. Not working. Let's reload this and hopefully it'll work this time. Shop. There we go. Right, so when I swipe right, it opens the details. So if I go to Glide, I am here, so let's do that as well. For some reason it's not working right. But anyway, I can see the details of this screen, of this specific row, right? And then I can edit that screen to see the details. So again, I click right, and then I can see the details, click the buy button, etc. So that's a new cool feature that Glide just launched. So just make sure that on data you have your save last swipe. Then you can also do some other things, right? So the right action can be something different. It can be an increment. It can create a new row, compose an email. Like in most cases, while we don't have a way to click the card and open the details, then the right will be a way to open the detailed view of the item, and then the left it's a reshuffle. So I hope you guys liked it. Talk to you soon.